We're going to show you a trick we learned from our cabinet maker. We have a doorstop here that, as you can see, is loose. We tried screwing it in, but it just won't work. So we're going to unscrew it. And now we're going to take these toothpicks and insert them into the hole and give it something to grab onto. Okay, we're going to start off with about 4 toothpicks. Insert them in, and then you clip them right at the base. And then you take the ones you clipped, turn them around, and try to fit as many in to make it as tight as possible. Clip those off at the base. And now this should give you a good grip. You can tell already it's catching the toothpicks. Nice and tight and as good as new.